Saya terima nikahnya Elika Phelia Amanda, anak kandung Bapak, untuk saya dengan mahar 10 mayan emas tunai.
I woke up from a dream last night. Someone tried to steal you away from me. Looked over to make sure you were alright. Breathed a sigh and I held you tight. My heart skipped a beat. Thank God it's just a dream. Silly dreams could make me fall more in love with you. Even in my dreams, a miracle it seems. The feelings that I feel for you, unexplainable. This must be love, love, love. Tried to steal you away from me. I promise I'd give up my life. I'd take a bullet for you, baby. My heart skipped a beat. Thank God it was just a dream. Who knew silly dreams could make